Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a rolling text animations in the CapCut PC. So in here, you can start by writing the text that you want. You can write it diagonally like this. So after the first word, you can click on enter and then until the end of the word, just like this. And after that, what you need to do is let's move text to the bottom until the white line here at the center, and then go to the position. You can just scroll down and under the positioning here, add a keyframe, and then go to the 3-second mark and move the text up until the bottom white line is in the center, like this. Then it will create this effect like this moving effect. Okay, after that, what you need to do is select the text and the background, click on it and create a compound clip. After that, here on the clip, click on it, go to the masking. So click on the video mask and choose the mirror option. Now you can adjust the the size to how you like it. Now the text will go like this. And the next step is go to the basic video editing and scroll down, enable the motion blur, and here just it how you like it, and wait for the processing until it's done, and you'll have the rolling animations on the text. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.